Hi, hello friends. We at Yashoda Hitec City are organizing a CME program on benign gynecology from basics to advanced. On 29th and 30th August 2026, here we are covering all the possible diseases which are affecting the women, from fibroids, abnormal uterine bleeding, the prolapse, as well as some complications involving minimal invasive surgery by the expert national faculty. We are going to cover even the important, the present day topic, the burning topic, which is the AI in healthcare. The expert speakers, national as well as international speakers, are going to address all of us on AI in healthcare. So we wish you and welcome all of y'all to attend the conference, which would be a great experience and an excellent academic feast. Thank you. So don't forget, the conference is on 29th and 30th August 2026 at our own auditorium in Yashoda Hospitals, Hitec City, Hyderabad.